Picture this. You're trying to carry a bag of groceries up the stairs and suddenly your legs feel like they're made of jelly. Or maybe you're reaching for a jar on the top shelf and your arms just won't cooperate. Sound familiar? If you're over 60, that sneaky muscle weakness isn't just old age playing a prank. It might be your body begging for a few key nutrients. Stick with me, because I'm about to share 6 vitamins and nutrients that can help you stay strong, energized, and moving like you're still in your prime. Oh, and trust me, you'll want to hear the surprising one most people overlook. It's a game changer. If you've noticed your muscles feeling weaker, or you're just not bouncing back like you used to, don't worry, this isn't about accepting decline. It's about small, simple changes that can make a big difference. Today we're diving into 6 nutrients that science says are critical for keeping your muscles strong and your energy high. These aren't just random supplements, they're backed by research from places like Harvard and the Mayo Clinic, and I'll even share real stories of people who turned things around. Let's get started because you deserve to feel strong and confident every single day. Let's kick things off with CoQ10. Now you might be thinking, what? Don't worry, it's not some trendy buzzword. It's a nutrient your body already makes, and it's a big deal for your muscles. Think of CoQ10 as the spark plug in your muscle cell's engine. It lives in the mitochondria, those tiny powerhouses that produce energy for every move you make, from walking to gardening to chasing after grandkids. Without enough CoQ10, your muscles can feel sluggish, tired, and weak. And here's the kicker. After 60, your body's CoQ10 levels can drop by up to 65%. That's huge. Worse yet, if you're on statins for cholesterol, common for many folks over 60, those meds can zap your CoQ10 even more. A 2018 study from the Journal of the American Heart Association found that over 60% of older adults on statins report muscle aches or fatigue, and low CoQ10 is often the culprit. I know it's frustrating to think a medication meant to help you could be making you feel worse. But here's the good news. You can fight back. Most seniors can benefit from 100 to 200 milligrams of CoQ10 daily, and if you're on statins or feeling extra tired, up to 300 milligrams might do the trick. Foods like organ meats or fatty fish have some CoQ10, but you need to eat a mountain of liver to get enough. Supplements are the way to go. Look for ones with better absorption, like Doctor's Best High Absorption CoQ10 with black pepper extract, or Cunol Ultra CoQ10, which is water-soluble and absorbs up to 300% better. Let me tell you about Linda, a 68-year-old retiree from Ohio. Linda loved her daily walks with her dog, Max, but she started feeling so tired that she could barely make it around the block. Her doctor checked her CoQ10 levels. Yep, they were low, partly because of her cholesterol meds. She started taking 200 milligrams of CoQ10 daily, and within a few weeks she was back to her walks, feeling stronger and even tackling some light gardening. Linda says it's like she got her spark back. That could be you too. Next up, vitamin D. You probably know it's great for your bones, but did you know it's just as crucial for your muscles? Your muscles have special receptors that rely on vitamin D to stay strong and responsive. Without enough, you might feel shaky or weak, especially when you're climbing stairs or getting up from a chair. A 2020 study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that seniors with higher vitamin D levels had a 20% lower risk of falling. That's a big deal. Falls can be a game changer for independence. Here's the thing. Over 40% of people over 60 are low in vitamin D, especially if you live somewhere cloudy or don't get much sun. Foods like salmon or fortified cereals help, but it's tough to get enough from diet alone. Most seniors need 800 to 1,000 IU daily, though some doctors suggest up to 2,000 IU if your levels are low. Nature made vitamin D3 soft gels or Nordic Naturals. D3 drops are great options. Both use D3, the form your body loves best. Not sure if you're low? Ask your doctor for a simple blood test. It's quick and it'll tell you exactly where you stand. Now let's talk about vitamin B12. This one's a bit of an unsung hero. It's critical for your nerves, which tell your muscles what to do. Low B12 can lead to weakness, shakiness, or even muscle loss over time. The tricky part, your body's ability to absorb B12 drops as you age, and meds like metformin for diabetes or heartburn drugs can make it worse. A 2019 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that up to 20% of seniors have a B12 deficiency, often without knowing it. B12 keeps your nerves firing properly, supports balance, and helps make red blood cells to carry oxygen to your muscles. You need about 2.4 micrograms daily, but seniors might need more. Sublingual tablets or sprays like Gero Formula's Methyl B12 or Garden of Life Vitamin Code B12 spray bypass the gut for better absorption. Take John, a 72-year-old from Florida. He was an active golfer, but he started feeling wobbly and tired, missing his swings. His doctor found a B12 deficiency, likely from years of heartburn meds. John started a sublingual B12 supplement, and within a month he was back on the course, swinging with confidence and even beating his buddies. He told me, "I didn't realize how much I was missing until I got it back." Vitamin C isn't just for colds, it's a powerhouse for your muscles. It helps build collagen, the scaffolding that keeps your muscles strong and flexible. It's also an antioxidant, fighting off free radicals that speed up muscle aging. Plus, it supports carnitine production, which turns fat into energy for your muscles. A 2021 study from the Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors with higher vitamin C levels had better muscle mass and strength. You need about 75 to 90 milligrams daily, but some experts suggest 200 to 400 milligrams for seniors. Oranges, strawberries, and broccoli are great sources, but supplements like Flora Research Vitamin C with flavonoids or Livon Labs liposomal vitamin C can boost absorption if your diet falls short. I love adding a handful of berries to my morning oatmeal. It's an easy way to sneak in some vitamin C and make breakfast feel like a treat. Magnesium is like the quiet friend who's always there when you need them. It's essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, preventing cramps and stiffness. It also helps produce ATP, the energy molecule your muscles rely on, and supports protein synthesis to rebuild muscle tissue. A 2022 Mayo Clinic study found that over 60% of seniors are low in magnesium, often due to diet or meds like diuretics. Women need about 320 milligrams daily, men about 420 milligrams. Spinach, almonds, and black beans are good sources, but supplements like magnesium glycinate are gentle and absorb well. Did you know a warm Epsom salt bath can boost your magnesium levels through your skin? It's relaxing and a sneaky way to support your muscles. Last but not least, creatine. I know you're probably thinking, isn't that for gym buffs? Nope, it's for seniors too. Creatine helps your muscles produce quick energy for everyday tasks like getting out of a chair or catching your balance. It also boosts satellite cells, which repair and grow muscle tissue. A 2023 study in the Journals of Gerontology found that seniors taking creatine with light exercise gained 2.2 pounds of lean muscle and boosted strength by 14% in just 12 weeks. You only need 3 to 5 grams daily. No need for the high doses athletes use. Optimum nutrition. Micronized creatine monohydrate is a solid, affordable choice. So, there you have it. CoQ10, vitamin D, B12, vitamin C, magnesium, and creatine. These aren't just random nutrients. They're your body's best friends for staying strong and independent after 60. Muscle loss isn't something you have to accept. Talk to your doctor to see which of these might be right for you, and start small. Maybe it's a vitamin D supplement or a sprinkle of creatine in your smoothie. Whatever you choose, you're taking a step toward feeling stronger and more confident. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. It really helps spread the word. Drop a comment below and let me know which nutrient you're excited to try, or if you've already seen results with one of these. You deserve to feel your best at every age, and I'm here to help you get there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.